So now here we are demonstrating product label reading along with image to text, nothing but book reading demonstration. So for product label reading purpose, as we discussed, this button has to be pressed and hold. So then place this object in front of the camera. So we can see that one light will be on the camera. Okay.
Detected Raspberry Pi 3 Model B with 1 GB RAM.
So it will be announced like this, in this manner. Means we should place the object near the camera. The sunlight and the lighting should be fall on the object surface properly. So then only the camera will detect the object. Once again. So when the light getting on, so not up and down movement, only the near to that.
Object detected Raspberry Pi 3 Model B with 1 GB RAM.
And the next. Position.
Object detected Robotech 5 volts 2 4 amps charger.
Hold on.
Detected high watt 9V battery packet.
Okay, and next water glass, and we need to demonstrate that with water. So when the stick placed inside the water, so there will be indication to the voice.
Alert obstacle detected. Please.
So while we place inside the water, there will be a LED indication on the sensor. We can see that,
Water detected.
and the voice announce will be announced through the speaker.
వాటర్ గురించి ఎల్సిడీలో ఏం డిస్ప్లే అవ్వట్లేదు.
Actually the blind persons kada. Set the image to text. So then place the object in front of the camera and hold the switch.
All queries related to warranty and support, email us at support@robokit2m1/if-r3.
Okay. So in this manner it will be announced the voice to text. So in this main manner, like we are demonstrating, hold the switch. So then starting it will capture the image.
Alert obstacle detected. Please check.
So first light it captures the image and search for the image in the database, and the second light nothing but if the image is not in the database, then it will capture the one more time image and it will convert it to text. That's the intelligence. Like it will search for the database. Okay, it's not in the database. So there is a image for the image to text. So in this manner it will be executes.